Hi, my name is Muhammad Nuriman bin Muhammad SOFI. I'm from MMA S11. So this is our group assignment video.
Hello, my name is NUKMAN bin JAMALUDIN. Today we're gonna do disc brake inspection and servicing. Now we are going to do the bleeding for the disc brake and doing the inspection. First, we need to flush out all the oil inside the system by using 8mm socket, using the bleeding screw. And then put this clear tube into the nipple. Using this bottle, put the tube into the bottle to flush out all the oil. And by pumping the lever, there will be pressure in the system and all the oil will coming out. Now, by using 12mm socket, open the nut to loosen up the hydraulic cable from the caliper. Now, by using 12mm socket, using the nut to remove the caliper. So this is the disc brake caliper for this motorcycle. It has two ports. So we will remove the brake pad by using 5mm Allen key. Remove the Allen key. So the disc pad will come out. This is the condition of the disc pad. As you can see, the brake pad is still in good condition because the thickness do not surpass this line, this depth. The disc pad is still in good condition and still can be used. The brake caliper also still in good condition, as you can see. Okay, now we will clean the caliper first before assemble it back. Okay, now we will assemble back the disc pad into the caliper. First, by using grease. Put some grease into the shaft. Put back the brake pad. And tighten back the shaft. Okay, now so we will assemble back the disc brake caliper and then do the bleeding for the system. Forget to put back the washer. By using Phillips screw, open the reservoir tank cover to put the new oil. Clean up the excess oil in the tank before putting the new .4 oil. So I'm using .4 brake fluid. To remove the bubble, first we need to press the lever. As you can see, the bubbles start to come out. The fluid levels start to decrease, so we will top up the oil. Now loosening up the bleeding screw. Pump, brake, as you can see, the fluid will likely to flow out. Then tighten the bleeding screw. So we have done the bleeding process. Put back the nipple. As you can see, okay, there is a pressure. Now we have done the bleeding process for the front disc brake.
3, 2, 1.